Dear viewers, today in the first episode of our series Most Popular Niches for Making Money Online, we will talk about opportunities to earn money in the health and fitness field. With the increasing popularity of the internet, the online health and fitness industry continues to grow rapidly. There are many opportunities in this field, and you can make money online by starting your own business. Let's explore together how you can make money by focusing on health and fitness niches. The health and fitness category can be divided into many subcategories. Here are some examples. Health and fitness. This category can be further broken down into other sub-niches, including diet and nutrition advice, health goods, sports and fitness programs, and more. Sports. You can make tutorials and movies for a variety of sports, including football, basketball, tennis, volleyball, fitness, yoga, and Pilates, as well as for jogging, cycling, swimming, and bodybuilding. For instance, you may launch a fitness channel with a variety of workout options. Nutrition. You can offer films and advice on a variety of dietary practices, including vegetarianism, macronutrition, veganism, the ketogenic diet, gluten-free eating, the paleo diet, and more. You might launch a vegan nutrition channel, for instance, and include vegan recipes and advice on healthy eating. Health. You can create educational articles and films on a range of health-related subjects, including cancer treatment, aging health, women's and men's health, sexual health, mental health, and more. For instance, you may start a mental health channel and produce videos on how to manage stress, overcome anxiety issues, and deal with depression. Exercise regimens. Videos can be made for a variety of exercise regimens, including fitness regimens, weight reduction regimens, muscle building regimens, Pilates and yoga regimens, and more. You may, for instance, launch a channel dedicated to weight reduction programs that offers particular content for folks looking to reduce weight. Product reviews and suggestions can be made for a variety of health items, including protein powders, diet items, workout gear, and accessories, as well as vitamin and mineral supplements. You might launch a channel dedicated to sports nutrition, for instance, and evaluate protein powders and dietary supplements. This was the first episode of our Most Popular Niches for Making Money Online series, where we provided many ideas and suggestions about health and fitness niches. Thanks to the power of the internet, now everyone can succeed in the online world by starting their own business. The first step you need to take in this regard is to choose a niche that you are interested in and produce quality content. By doing this, you can create your target audience and seize money-making opportunities. See you in the next episode.